Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by consolidating documents and initiating the transfer now. Have the logbook, seller and buyer ID, proof of address, and the bill of sale ready. Include the odometer reading. Once done, contact the lender if a lien exists so you know the exact payoff amount. Make sure signatures are aligned with the logbook and that all names match ID. This prevents rejections later. Keep a scanned copy for your records and schedule the next steps, notarization or digital submission, while documents are fresh. You now verify every field and complete the official forms precisely. Fill the transfer section on the logbook with date, sale price, buyer and seller signatures, and the odometer statement. Next, obtain notarization if your jurisdiction requires it. Use an approved notary or an e-notary service. Once notarized, assemble any additional transfer forms and receipts, then pay required fees, either online, by card, or check, and record the payment reference. Make sure to retain digital copies and receipts so you can track the submission. You finish by submitting the complete packet to the DMV or registry using the chosen method, in person, by mail, or online. Make sure to include attachments, copies, and payment proof. Once submitted, confirm the processing time and get a tracking number. Expect a new logbook or title mailed to the buyer. If you encounter delays or rejection, immediately review for missing fields, mismatched names, or unresolved liens, and call the agency helpline with your tracking number. That single troubleshooting check usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.